so guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial show you guys some apple martini. You guys will need triple sec, lemon syrup, vodka, salt, the lime, your martini glass, apple juice, lemon juice, a shaker, and your tumbler. Right, let's get started. Right, so first, grab your shaker, grab your ice into your shaker, then you add 1 shot of vodka. And 2 shots of lemon syrup or your lemon juice. Like so. And 1 shot of triple sec. Just like that. And then 1.5 shots of lemon juice. There you go. Then you add 2 shots of your preferred lemon juice, apple juice I mean. There we go. So give it a nice hard shake for about 10 to 5 seconds. Leave that to chill for a second. And you grab your martini glass. Yeah. Grab your lime, cut it in half. Slice a little slice for decoration. Just like so. You grab that off, a little squeeze and a little slit, just like that. Grab your glass, insert, and just coat the side of the glass with lemon juice. Then you grab your salt, like so, and just decorate the room. There you go. Decoration on the side, and then you strain it. There you guys have it, the apple martini. Come back tomorrow for another tutorial.